Next thing that we are going to do is called substitution. Alright, let's have a look at the first question. If t equals to 5, what is the values of t plus 3? So let's have a look at the first question. T equals to 5, then what is the value of t plus 3? So we are supposed to evaluate this. Remember, t has a value of 5. So t plus 3 will be 5 plus 3, which is 8. That's done. Now that's addition. Let's have a look at multiplication here, or maybe subtraction first. Question 5. If m equals to 9, evaluate the value of m minus 6. Let's do that. Question 5. M equals to 9. Now what's the value of these? So what we're going to do is we are going to substitute this value into the expression. And I'm getting 9 take away 6, which is 3. That's done. Now let's have a look at question 8, where maybe question 7 first, when we got an expression that involves two polynomials, a and d. Okay? Now question 7, you got a equals to 6, d equals to 9. Now what is a plus d? Alright, a will be 6, d will be 9. So that will be 6 plus 9, which is 15. Now let's have a look at the next one when it comes to subtraction. Question 8, p equals to 9, q equals to 5, p minus q equals to something. Let's have a look at that. P equals to 9, Q equals to 5. What's the value of P minus Q? Let's do this. P minus Q. So P will be 9, Q will be 5. So if I subtract that, I end up getting 4. Alright? Now, the next one is going to be multiplication. B equals to 3, 5b will be 5 times b, which is 15. Let's have a look at the working here. B equals to 3, 5b, so that will be the value of b, so 5 times 3, which is 15. That's question 9. Let's have a look at question 13, when you have two polynomials. Question 13, a equals to 7, b equals to 3. So you got ab, which is basically means a times b. This is what I'm going to do. A is 7, b is 3. So all I got here is 7 times 3, which is 21. So that's question 13. Now let's have a look at the other questions here where it involves a coefficient. Question 14. 14, you got x equals to 4, x equals to 4, and y equals to 5. Now let's evaluate these 2xy. 4 and 5. Okay, let's do this together. 2 times 4 times 5. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40. That's question 14. Now, we're going to develop this expression into a more complex expression, which is something look like question 15. 6e plus 2f. Question 16. P equals to 7, Q equals to 3. PQ plus P minus Q. Let's do this together. P is 7, P is 7, and then Q is 3, Q is 3. Alright, let's do this. 7 times 3 plus 7 take away 3. Now here, it is important that we use BODMAS rule. Do the multiplication first. In this case, it's going to be 21 plus 7 minus 3. Then we do the addition. Then finally do the subtraction. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 takes away 3 is 25. And that will be it for question 16. Now let's have a look at another example here. When we talk about multiple expressions. Okay, let's have a look at the last question here. Let's have a look at the last one. Question 18. If A equals to 2, B equals to 5, C equals to 6, D equals to 10. There are 4 different polynomials with different values. Now let's pick one question from this page, which is 18i BD minus AC. Alright, 18i is A equals to 2, B equals to 5, C equals to 6, D equals to 10. That is what's given in the questions. Now, here it says BD minus AC. So B times D, that will be 5 times 10. That's B and D. Now A is 2, C is 6. Now again, what we're going to do is BODMAS rule. Alright, so let's do multiplication first. So in this case, it will be 50 minus 12. Alright, so next is 50 minus 12. That will be 38. That will be it.